Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Now, it's been a long time, isn't it? I was away from YouTube for personal reason, professional reason, but now I am back at it and hopefully I will be at it because many things have changed over the few months and I am really in that mental state to start a YouTube journey or restart my YouTube journey again. So I'm pretty excited for that. And this video, I'm not going to make it a long video, like long video. It's going to be very crisp, very informative because I'll be telling about myself. So yeah, that is something I think we can start. And the day on which you will be seeing this video will be 30th November, which is the last day of November. Now, there are certain things because there has to be some announcement which I want to make that I am bringing up on my channel, which hopefully you all will be liking. And I'm doing a lot of planning and plotting for this particular thing from a really long time. So hopefully you will like it. So coming to the fact why I was missing in action. So obviously, which was the previous reason and this reason as well, that I was really caught up with the work and all of that stuff. But now why I am doing this, because it's not that I have left the job, because some people will think, oh, I left the job and that's why now I am getting back to the work or back to YouTube and all. But no, that's not the thing. So I am coming back to YouTube because I really want to. I've always been telling in my channel that I really love coming in front of the camera, doing the work, doing the post-production work, editing, thumbnail making and whatnot, and handling the YouTube channel is something which I genuinely love. So that is why I thought of giving it a shot. And why not? I started this from the 1st of Jan. And why am I starting it from now? Because it's never too late to start anything, although it's the end of the year. But let's start, because I think today, which is a great time to start something, I don't think there is a better time than now to start. So yeah, that is something I believe, and that's why I'm starting. That's why you can see the whole jazz of, even you can see the ring light on my face. So yeah, that. And coming to a few announcement which I would really like to make when it comes to the content creation thing. First things first, I'll be starting Vlogmas from tomorrow onwards, because from tomorrow, the December month is starting, which is the festive month. I know in India, the festive months are October and November, but anywhere or the other, it is a whole vibe of Christmas, of Thanksgiving, New Year's and everything. In Vlogmas, you will be seeing back-to-back 31 videos from 1st of December to 31st of December. So there is a whole lot of content which is coming. There are new content. There will be vlogs. There will be sit-down videos. Mostly it will be a combination of long-form videos and short-form videos, which you will be seeing on my channel. Some days I'll be posting long-form or maybe 15 long-form videos, 15 shorts videos. It completely depends on the kind of video or the topic which I am making. Okay. So that was the announcement which I really wanted to make. And yeah, it was about the update of the channel which I had to make. Now, coming to the live update, there has not been that much major change which has happened in my life, I would say. But yeah, I think it's going pretty well in terms of the work. And since I am now kind of trying to manage everything, I have maintained, or I'm maintaining a schedule of everything. Hopefully I'm not promising everything, because every time I promise that, okay, this time I'll continue doing the YouTube, and I end up not doing that. After 3 or 4 or max to max 10 videos, I disappear. But this time I'm promising myself before 2024 ends that I will be doing YouTube. It is, of course, for my audience, because there are 130 plus people who really care, who have not unsubscribed to my channel, and I'm pretty grateful for them. It is for them and a commitment to myself as well, which I really want to keep on. So that's why back-to-back videos you'll be seeing from tomorrow onwards, and I'm very hopeful you will be liking it. It will all be based on vlogs, some informative videos, some fraud videos, some get ready with me videos, some makeup videos, which I absolutely love, some night stay videos. Everything is going to be very fun, and I hope you all will have a great time enjoying that thing. So yeah, that is something I wanted to make the video about. I know I said that this video won't be long, and I don't think this is a long video in terms of when it comes to life update, because there is no as such life updates to be given. But yeah, there are channel updates which will be coming in between Vlogmas as well, because I have planned a ton of things after Vlogmas and within Vlogmas. So hopefully you will like it. And thank you so much for everyone who has been a part of my channel since the beginning and also accepted me going MIA, which is missing in action, but still subscribing to my channel. And I am pretty grateful for them to be a part of my family. And thank you so much. And I'll see you from tomorrow with back-to-back 31 videos/shorts. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.